Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can shade an entire row in Google Sheets. So first option, so we have kind of three options, so let's go step by step. So the first option is the fastest way to make a large dataset readable. So highlight your data range or the whole sheet by clicking the top left corner, just like that. Go to Format here at the top, and then alternating colors right over here. Heads up, edit anyway. Don't show this again. Okay, just like that. And now choose a style from the sidebar at the right side and click Done. So let's say I will take this one here and click Done. And just like that, we have automatic shading, alternating colors. Now, method number two, let's go back here to the start like that. You will use this to shade a row only if a specific cell contains certain text or a value. So select your data range, format, then we will hit here to the conditional formatting like that. And right now under the right side, you see this format cell, format rules, and select custom formula is right here at the bottom, just like that, and enter a formula like that is equal $A1 equal done. This shades the row if column A says done. Pick your file color and then click done. So let's say I will do it this way and just like that. And now let's say here. And now this will be the rule. So as I said, enter a formula. So this shades the row if column A says done. And that's basically it in the option 2. So this is conditional formatting. So let's test it out. If I say right here done, it will be the whole row violet, and it works. Okay, so the method 3, so last one, is more like a shortcut. So let's say click the row number on the far left to select the entire row. So let's select this one here. Press Alt H, just like that, to open the fill color menu. So Alt H. So if the shortcut doesn't work, we have here the bucket, and what we can do is just pick the color here. Let's say this one, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.